Hi, sorry about that. This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna start up our 53 Chevy 3100. Good running truck. You can hear the cooling fans. Little belt squeal. Oh, where's the source on this? It's on the stereo. Probably gonna have to see, they must not have it hooked up. And the fan's working. Little blinker on the left works. Blinker on the right works. Horn doesn't work, which isn't surprising on an aftermarket steering wheel. There's your blinker, or your blinkers, your wipers. And we'll show you the mirror, or the windows. There's power on both sides. So they work. And we'll take a listen to the engine and show you the lights. Engine runs nice and strong. About 300 miles on a build. I've got a Camaro subframe. AC compressor. Headlights. Good sounding exhaust. And then, like I said, pretty cool on the taillights with the little Chevy emblems. So everything except for the horn works, and I think I just got to get power to the steering column, or to the radio. I'm guessing they got it unhooked. A lot of guys do when the cars sit so they don't drain the batteries. So any questions? 605-695-7391.